Well, in the weeks since the Supreme Court ruling, many couples are now considering alternate ways to prevent unwanted pregnancies.
And for some men, that conversation may include a more permanent method of birth control. WPTV's Joel Lopez with the increased attention of vasectomies and what doctors are sharing tonight. Joel.
That's right. The urology group of Florida tells me they've seen a surge in men asking about vasectomies, some of which have been as young as 20s. And they say while the procedure is safe, it's not for everybody.
Millions of men and women are looking into their options following the Supreme Court overturning Roe versus Wade.
It's a weird time for a lot of people. It's a scary time for a lot of people. And my heart goes out to people, across the country that are freaking out about this right now.
For 24-year-old Kyle Barnakel from Loxahatchee, he's considering a more long-term method of birth control, a vasectomy.
With the vasectomy thing, it was something I thought about doing down the road once I had kids and stuff like that. But now with Roe v. Wade being overturned, it's a lot more on my mind, I guess, just to be safe.
Barnakel says after the High Court's decision, it should create conversations for both women and men.
As a responsible guy in your 20s, it's something that you should be thinking about right now, just in case.
Urology group, how can I help you?
Staff with the Urology Group of Florida say they've seen a 50% increase of men asking about vasectomies.
But yeah, this is where we do them. It's a short procedure, 10, 15 minutes or less, and in and out the same day.
Staff says while vasectomies are a safe form of medical sterilization, it may not be the best option for everybody.
When I counsel my patients, I tell them that I don't think you should think of this as reversible. There are plenty of other forms of birth control that you should try if you're not sure.
The doctor says vasectomies are 90% reversible, but fertility rates can drop 50%.
I do turn away patients that come in and talk about vasectomies. I really want to make sure that they think about it, that I say, look, if I really understand where you're coming from, but think about it. See me again in 3 months or 6 months, and if you're still there, we'll still talk.
Staff says if you are considering having a vasectomy, that their doors are always open, but it's best to have a consultation first. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Joel Lopez, WPTV, News Channel 5.
Whatever the reasons, it's not just here. Doctors say they're seeing an increase in consultations.
Since Friday, we're up 900% in people looking to get a vasectomy.
You heard that right, 900% at a Kansas City urologist office. Now, that's people considering it. How many go through with it? Well, they'll have to see. Doctors there say the demand went from typically 3 over a weekend to 50 this past weekend.